It has been 7 long years since Wynonna Judd released a new album, but the wait is finally over. She and her band, The Big Noise, are out with an eclectic collection that ranges from hard country and electric blues to contemporary Americana.
The new album is appropriately called Wynonna and the Big Noise, and here they are with the song Cool Ya.
Rest your weary in these arms. Nobody loves you like I do. Nobody loves you like I do. Nobody loves you like I do. Nobody. Up down on the mountain, river jump and dancing. Just quit count, let the hallelujah go right through you. Up and down on the mountain, pray for the jump, dance in the fountain when the storm blows. Just quit count, let the hallelujah go right through. When the well runs dry, let the river cool you.
Now that's a great band. We'll be right back with more music from Wynonna Judd and the Big Noise. You're watching CBS This Morning, Saturday.
Saturday sessions are sponsored by Blue Buffalo. You love your pets like family, so feed them like family with Blue.